People often say, "Be yourself," but I disagree. You should always strive to improve yourself. If you're not satisfied with where you are, it's a sign you need to change something. Don't settle. Aim to upgrade yourself step by step. Think about it. Most people in this world chase a few common things: money, love, success, and respect. Today, we're going to focus on respect. I'm going to share with you 15 to 20 simple but powerful rules to earn respect. Each rule will take about 30 to 40 seconds to explain. So, grab a notebook and a pen and stick with me. Now, why should you trust what I'm saying? Simple. Apply just the first 5 rules I give you. If you don't see an improvement in how people treat you from day 1, feel free to ignore my advice, unsubscribe from my channel, and never watch another video. Rule 1. Listen carefully without interrupting. When someone is talking, give them your full attention. Don't interrupt them. When you listen closely, you come across as a thoughtful and mature person. This immediately boosts your respect in the eyes of others. But here's the other side of the coin. When you're speaking, make sure the other person listens to you too. If they keep cutting you off or don't respect your words, it's a sign they're not worth your time. In these cases, disengage from the conversation politely. Continuing in such situations doesn't gain respect. In fact, it could harm it. Rule 2. Don't react instantly to insults. When someone tries to insult or provoke you, resist the urge to react immediately. Instead, look them directly in the eyes and stay silent. This silence conveys strength and self-control. You know how shallow rivers make a lot of noise? But when a river is deep, it runs quiet. In the same way, people who have real depth in knowledge, experience, or maturity don't need to make noise. They stay calm, and that calmness speaks volumes. So, stop overreacting to every little thing, and people will start to notice your inner strength. Rule 3. Improve your posture. Your body language, especially your posture, plays a huge role in how people perceive you. A strong, confident posture immediately gives off a positive first impression. Stand tall, keep your back straight, and maintain open, relaxed body language. This small change can make a big difference in how others view and respect you. The question is, how do you do it? I'll explain it clearly, and within 10 seconds, your posture will be perfect. There are just 3 simple steps. First, stand in front of a mirror, but don't stand completely straight. Slightly angle your body to one side. Next, straighten your spine just a bit and pull your shoulders gently back. If your neck is leaning too far forward, bring it back slightly. Don't overdo it, just a subtle adjustment. That's it. Your posture is now corrected. You need to maintain this posture not just while standing, but also while walking. When you walk, pick up the pace a little. Walking too slowly might make you feel hesitant, but walking briskly will instantly boost your confidence. Keep up a steady pace. As for your hands, avoid keeping both in your pockets. That can make you seem closed off. However, if you're feeling especially nervous, it's okay to keep one hand in your pocket. When you're in a group setting and feel anxious, placing one or both hands in your pockets can help ease that nervousness, though it's even better if you can leave them out. Whenever you feel nervous, remember this simple truth. Everyone around you is just like you. They breathe, sleep, and go about their day just the same. The only real difference is confidence. We gained our independence on August 15th, 1947, and we aren't meant to serve anyone. Remember, they are human, and so are we. Live your life on your own terms. The moment you realize this, your confidence will naturally rise. To further boost your confidence, focus on how you present yourself. Dressing well plays a big part in that. I've seen many people rush through shopping, trying to save money by buying a lot of cheap clothes that don't make them feel good. Instead, invest in a few quality outfits that elevate your appearance. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need to buy dozens of shirts for a low price. Quality matters more than quantity. You can either buy one pair of clothes for 1,000 rupees, or you can invest 2,000 rupees on a single pair. But the difference is, when you invest in quality, that one pair will last longer. The fabric should retain its shine and color over time, and when you wear it, it should make you feel confident and respected. Quality matters more than quantity. In a year, you might only wear 4 different outfits, but those 4 should be enough to leave an impression every time. People should look at you and see class, dignity, and respect. On the other hand, you could buy 50 outfits that are cheap, but they lose their color, wear out quickly, and fail to impress. There's no joy in wearing 50 poorly made pieces. So remember, invest in quality, not in quantity. Point number 6, speak slowly. Take your time when you talk. People who rush their words tend to come across as less thoughtful and less respected. Those who speak slowly, who choose their words carefully, tend to hold more respect. Watch some movies and you'll see. There are characters with great physiques who look strong, but they talk too quickly, and they lack respect. Then there are characters who might not have the best bodies, but they speak with calm authority. They command a different level of respect. So, pause before you speak, think through your words, and talk at a steady pace. Point number 7, become an expert in your craft. The more skilled you are at what you do, the more the world will respect you. Look at legends like Sachin Tendulkar. Even Virat Kohli, one of the best cricketers today, shows him great respect because Sachin was a master of his art. If you want to earn true respect, become a master of your field. Whatever your work is, aim to be the best in it. Point number 8. To boost your respect, apply the T concept. What is the T concept? Imagine a horizontal line and a vertical line forming a T. The horizontal line represents broad knowledge, knowing a little bit about many things. The vertical line represents depth, knowing a lot about one thing. To gain respect, you need to be both broad in your understanding, but also have deep expertise in one area. A vertical line represents depth from top to bottom. In any field, if you dive deep and gain expertise, your respect will grow. A horizontal line, on the other hand, represents breadth, expanding across various fields. If you maintain competency in multiple areas without falling behind, your respect will also increase significantly. Take Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, for example. They've achieved mastery in football, but if you observe closely, they excel in other aspects too, whether it's their communication skills, their command of English, or their confidence. Beyond that, look at how they carry themselves, their fashion sense, body language, and even their acting skills. These qualities make them influential in areas beyond just football, winning them fans and admiration from all walks of life. It's a fact you might not always notice, but their respect extends far beyond the football field. This teaches us an important lesson. Achieve mastery in one domain, but don't stop there. Gain knowledge in other areas and develop skills outside your main expertise. Doing so will elevate your standing in every sphere. One skill can complement and enhance another. Another important point: learn to laugh at yourself. Why? Because when you can laugh at your own flaws, it becomes difficult for others to use them against you. They won't be able to make fun of you if you're already comfortable with your imperfections. I practice this too. I share my shortcomings with others. often in a humorous way. What's left for them to mock when I've already embraced it? This doesn't mean you should constantly belittle yourself. Use this approach wisely, mostly in close friendships or family settings. It creates a sense of confidence and shows that you're not easily rattled by criticism. Next point. Surround yourself with people who are more experienced and successful than you. I do this often. Even when I find myself in groups where everyone is older, wealthier, or more accomplished than I am, I don't mind. It's a learning opportunity. Sometimes I feel small in those spaces, but it doesn't matter if I'm not the most respected in that moment. What matters is the growth I gain by being in such company. In the long run, this will elevate my respect in the world. And lastly, remain humble. No matter how successful you become, always stay grounded. Treat people with kindness and speak politely. The respect you gain from being humble even after achieving great things is immeasurable. True success lies in achieving a lot, but still staying connected to your roots. After that, remember to stay humble with everyone you meet. Let me give you an example. Elon Musk. He is incredibly wealthy, and yes, there are many rich people in the world. But what sets him apart, what truly makes people admire him, is his humility and down-to-earth personality. No matter how successful or powerful you become, if you flaunt your status, people may acknowledge you, but they won't respect you from the depths of their hearts. Whenever someone approaches me with genuine kindness, I forget about myself, who I am, how much I own, or how many followers I have. In that moment, all I see is the love and respect in their eyes. And that's the true essence of life. The real joy lies in being a person of influence, admired by many, but still remaining grounded and humble. So those were the principles of earning true respect. But wait. Where are you going? Don't leave just yet. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe. It's a small gesture that means a lot to me. A lot of people watch, but only a few subscribe. Let's change that today. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Done? Awesome. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, thank you so much.